real good handshaker.
That's a pretty great handshake.
And that was it. I'll probably never see her again. What? That was the signal.
That long, lingering handshake, you should have kissed her.
There's no such thing as the signal. But yeah, that was the signal. See you through. Carl, thank you. Something I gotta do. By the way, you should have kissed him. Carl, you guys weren't there.
I am so turned on right now.
Trust me, I've seen the signal. That was not the signal. Yeah, Ted, what on you anyone? It's my fiancé.
To the future.
Do one hell of a night. That was not the signal.
I asked her about it a week later, and yeah, that was the signal. I could have kissed her. But that's the funny thing about destiny. It happens whether you plan it or not. I mean, I never thought I'd see that girl again. But it turns out I was just too close to the puzzle to see the picture that was forming. Because that, kids, is the true story of how I met your Aunt Robin.